The halo effect refers to a cognitive bias where our overall impression of a person or thing influences our perceptions and evaluations of specific traits or qualities associated with that person or thing. It is a psychological phenomenon that affects how we judge others based on our initial impressions or a single prominent characteristic. The term halo effect was first introduced by psychologist Edward Thorndike in 1920. He conducted a study where he asked military officers to rate their subordinates on various qualities such as intelligence, leadership, and physical appearance. Thorndike found that ratings on one trait tended to influence ratings on other unrelated traits. For example, if a soldier was perceived as physically attractive, they were more likely to be rated as intelligent or competent, even if there was no direct evidence to support those ratings. The halo effect can occur in various situations, such as in personal relationships, job interviews, or product evaluations. When we form an initial positive impression of someone, we tend to attribute other positive qualities to that person, even if we don't have specific evidence to support those attributions. Similarly, if we have a negative initial impression, we may assume negative traits or qualities about that person. In the context of products or brands, the halo effect can influence our perceptions and evaluations. For example, if a company is known for producing high-quality products, we may assume that a new product from that company is also of high quality, even if we haven't personally tested or evaluated it. It's important to be aware of the halo effect because it can lead to biased judgments and decisions. By recognizing our tendency to generalize based on initial impressions, we can try to overcome this bias and make more objective evaluations. Critical thinking, gathering additional information, and considering multiple perspectives can help mitigate the influence of the halo effect in our judgments.